Looking for water softener maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how essential it is to keep your water softener running smoothly, especially with the hard water issues in Sherwood Park. Our expert water softener maintenance, service and repair ensures your system performs at its best year-round, preventing common issues like salt bridging, leaks and mineral buildup. Whether you need regular maintenance or urgent repairs, we've got you covered. In Sherwood Park, we know how important it is to have clean, soft water, which is why our team offers tailored services that fit the needs of local homeowners. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get certified, friendly technicians who are always on time and offer transparent pricing. Keep watching to see why we're the trusted choice for water softener maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park. For expert service, call or book online today.